Hey everyone, how often do you scramble your 3x3 puzzle cube and found something interesting on that scrambled cube? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 of them. So pick up your puzzle cube and follow along. Let's go. In this first scramble that I'm about to show you, you will accidentally solve two 2x2 puzzle cubes on your scrambled cube. Here's how the scramble goes. U2, L prime, U2, L prime, U2, F2, D, L, F prime, L, F, R2, D prime, B2, D prime, L2, D prime, L2, F2, R2. For the second scramble that I'm about to show you, it is the total opposite of our first scramble. For this scramble, we did not manage to fully scramble our 3x3 puzzle cube. Instead, we managed to scramble two 2x2 puzzle cubes on it. Here's how the scramble goes. U2, B prime, R, U prime, L, F, B2, U, F prime, U, F2, L2, U, D, B2, L2, B2, L2. For our last scramble in this video, I will share with you a perfect scramble. So this is called a perfect scramble because it follows this criteria. First, you will see all 6 different colors on each of the sides. And there will not be more than 2 of each colors on each side. Next, there will not be 2 similar colors touching side by side or diagonally to each other. In addition, there will also not be 2 similar colors touching each other at a corner. Last but not least, each side of the puzzle cube will have a different pattern. Alright, ready? Here's how the scramble goes. D2, F2, R2, D2, L2, U, F2, U prime, F prime, U, F2, U prime, R2, B prime, F, R prime, D2, F prime, D prime, L. So, do you agree this is a perfect scramble? Leave your comments below and share with us your idea of a perfect scramble. I hope these scrambles are interesting to you. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.